What are we doing?
Well, you guys remember a few videos ago, you can check out the link above her head right here. We had a haul from Shop Disney where one of our items packaged awesomely was broken. We reordered it just to spoil things. It is the Jungle Cruise cookie jar. So we're going to open our new one and see if it's packaged just as well and if it's not broken this time. You ready?
Ready, Freddy.
Watch your biggies. Okay, this should be the only thing in this box.
Plenty of this stuff. Looks like it's wrapped in big old bubble wrap. It looks like it's wrapped pretty nicely.
Well, that's good. All right, so check box number 1.
I can see the little smokestack.
Seems like it's on there. This is the lid from the last one. The smokestack was missing. It didn't break off in the box. It just wasn't there. So compare that to the new one where the smokestack is here. Now let's see if we can get the lid off. I think we figured out if you push the lid this way and then lift, it works. So slide it that way and lift off. Hopefully. Oh, that's right. The rubber thing's on this one. Well, it's not broken this time, so that's good. Wait, the last one, there's a big chip taken out of the bottom where you try to take it out and it breaks off. I'm gonna see if I can put this one on here. No, I think the other one was just misshapen, so it was grabbing it weird. Just be careful. It's got a rubber thing around the edge. This one did too, but I took it off because it was always causing trouble.
I don't want to break it.
Just don't worry about it. It's good. So hold it up.
I mean, we're not actually going to use it for cookies.
No, it's going to sit on the shelf. So it is in one piece. We have the smokestack. I don't know why I was thinking there was smoke actually coming out of the smokestack.
No, that's on the Funko.
Oh, okay. It's literally the same thing on both sides, just reversed. When we ordered the first one, we got it on sale at at a discount. I think it was like $40 or something like that. This time, because they gave us our money back, but we also got, I think, got a D23 coupon for it, and they were doing free shipping. I think this ended up being like $48, but free shipping because of free shipping online. So, but it's fixed. We have our corrected Jungle Cruise cookie jar. Have you ever had an item just come broken and you had to get a replacement, but the replacements were not available online and you just had to sit and wait? That happened to us. If it happened to you, put it in the comments below. But until then, remember, no capes. She's jamming to the new video.
Hey.
What up, yo?
Hey, y'all.
Hey, hey, hey.